Today we got a 2000 Honda Civic. So customer had a plug and play screen, a Tesla screen, and for some reason the customer is hooking this thing up. It doesn't work and this camera doesn't come on. So I don't know what's going on. I'm just basically gonna start from the beginning where the radio is at, and the customer's already pulled everything out already, and I'm gonna try to check a few things. So I'm gonna remove this out, and like I said, it's plug and play, so everything's plugged. So I'm gonna see if there's a screen. I'm gonna test this first. So I'm gonna turn the key on. Whoop, it's raining outside. I'm gonna take that out first. So now I'm gonna put on reverse and see if we got power. See if we got black. It should be black screen if the camera is not working, and it's got power to it, reverse power to it. So it does got a black screen. So now I'm gonna make sure the camera in the back working or not. I'm gonna put on talk so I can walk back. So yes, the camera is on, so meaning everything is good. He did hook it up to this wire right there, and it's the I'm gonna put the light on here, and it is the brown is the reverse, and then the black is negative. So he hooked up the red wire right here all the way to here, and he tapped this wire to this red one right here to the power, and then just making sure you got the right power to it. So yes, he got that right because it's got power right there on the reverse, so which means everything is good so far. But now wonder why it's black. So I'm gonna remove this again. I'm gonna check. Sorry, the camera is working by myself today. So now I'm gonna look at the yellow wire. Yellow wire say video out. That's something right there. That's wrong plug. It's supposed to be camera out. What is this wire? It might be this one right there. I'm not sure what this is. I'm gonna look at it. Oh, it should be on the Tesla screen. There should be only one single wire. Oh yes, it's this one right here. It's this plug. I'm gonna show the plug. I'm looking upside down. So this usually this is the reverse camera plug. So he got it on the video out. So definitely gonna move that and plug to this one right there, because they didn't say anything right there. It should be, because I installed about 20 or 30 of them already, maybe more than 20. Not on the Honda, but maybe other car they the same. So I did see some light, so I think it should work right now. Let's look at it. Yep, that's all it is. So yep, and this is a nice setup. And I asked the customer said it was, this whole setup is only $149. So it's plug and play, and then the camera you have to run it, and this is how it is, and everything working fine. I'm gonna plug it back to the other camera for him.